Sudoku friends, Four Stars Sudoku speed test in today's newspaper on Friday, first Friday of the month, February the 2nd, 2024. And we have two puzzles left, the Four Stars Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. Yes. Alright, this one, 4 stars. Let's get started. 30 seconds already passed. This one has 24 printed digits. Wow, should be a 4 stars, and this one will be number 7921. Okay, let's get started. 40 seconds already passed. 5 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 5. 5 5 5 5 5. 7. Need a 7 there. 8 7 and 3 4 9. This should be the 9. 3 4 8. Need an 8 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 8. Need a 1 here. 3. Need a 3 here. 3 there. 3 3. Need a 3 here. 2 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 5 5 5 5. Need a 5 here. 9 9 8. Need a 9 here together with the 2. So this should be the 3. And this should be an 8. 8 8 8. 3. Here should be the 4 and the 7. 2 5. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 here. 3. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on. Need a 3 here. 7, need a 9. Here could be 9. 6, need a 6 there. 1 1. Come on, come on. Need an 8 here. 8 8 8. 4 5. This should be the 4. 6 2 6 3. 2 6. 2 2 2 6 6. Here need a 6. 6 and the 3. The other pair should be 1 and the 9. 2 6 and the 3. Okay. 5 5. Here should be the 2 and the 4. Okay. 2 2 here, 2 there, 2. 1 7 8. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 and the no 5. Need a 5 here. 5 4 and a 2. 5 4 and a 2. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. 9 7. How about the 1 then? Come on, come on, come on. 8 8 8 8 8. 3. 9. Come on. No 1 here, no 1 there. 1 1. Need a 1 here. What is this? This is the 5. Okay. No 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9. 9 9 9 and a 4 should be here. It's a pair. Oh, no. This should be the 2. We already have a 9. 2, the 4 should be here then. No 4 here. Oh, this should be the 4. This should be the 3. Overlooked. This should be the 3. 2 and the 6 are left. Here should be the 2. Then this should be the 2. Together with the 5. So this should be the 6. This should be the 1. 6. This should be the 2. This should be the 6. This should be the 2. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. Need a 1 here. And I need a 6 here. 1, need a 1 here. Need a 8. 4, need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. 8. Come on. This should be the 1 then. Need a 1 here. 3, 9. 3, 9. And 6. 3, 9 and a 6. Need a 6 here also. 8. Need a 9 here. 2, 9, and 5. Here can be 5. Here can be 5. This should be the 5. So 2 and a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 2. This should be the 9. 4 and the 2. 8, 6, and 5. Oh, this should be the 5. 6, 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 1. Need a 2 here. 3. Need a 2 there. How about here? The 1. And 4. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. No 9 here. No 9. This should be the 9. 1, 4. 1, 4. Okay. So the 1 and the 8 are left. This should be the 2. This should be the 7. 2, 5, 4, 2. 1, 8, 1, 8. 1, 9. No. Here should be the 4. 4. This should be 4. This should be the 7. This should be the 8 and the 6, I believe. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 7, 7, 7. 1, 9, 6, 3, 8. Come on. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. 1 and an 8. 8 and a 6. Oh, double 2. It's not correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 should be here. Yeah, 9 or there 9. We have a 9 here. This should be the 9. This should be the 1. 1, 8. 8, 6. And 6, 3. 9 minutes minus 2 minutes. 7 minutes again. Alright, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Well, 7 minutes. Whoa. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the killer Sudoku. Also a speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.